When was the last time someone said, "It's a beautiful day, let's sit inside"? We'll give you a hint. Never. That's why the backyard is the best room in the house. Nobody likes to be cramped or cubicled. We like fresh air and blue skies, especially in the places we call home. And what's more welcoming than a room without walls, where you're drawn in by the warm glow of the fire pit and the tss of ribeyes searing on the grill in your outdoor kitchen. Where the tension of your day disappears faster than a pitcher of margaritas shared with your favorite people. Life's just better in the backyard, especially when there are comfy chairs to sink into, a fully stocked fridge within reach, and your favorite movie on the outdoor TV. BBQ Guys. Life is better in your backyard. Make your backyard even better at BBQGuys.com.